Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Oshee Mauw Tiny Cow. Thank you for your name submissions. They are getting more and more creative every day. The area for a circle is given. Hint, 1 square yard is going to equal 9 square feet. This will help you. This crop circle shown covered an approximate area of 2,975 square yards. How many feet wide is it and how many feet around is it? All right, so width going all the way across a circle is called its diameter. So we're going to find the diameter for the width. And then the feet around a circle, that is called the circumference. So that's actually going to be the circumference. All right, so fun fact there. Now what's tricky is we got to do a couple of things here. First of all, we got to convert the square yards to feet because we want how wide it is in feet, and we want it how far around it is in feet. So we want to convert to feet as soon as possible. Well, 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So some of you are thinking, well, isn't 1 yard equal to 3 feet? Yes, you are correct, but that's one-dimensional. 1 square yard is actually going to be 9, because if you think about a yard, 3 feet this way, 3 feet this way, look at that. So 1 square yard is going to be 9. Oops, what the heck's going on there? 9 square feet. So 1 square yard is 9 square feet. Anyway, so we got to take 2975 times 3. I'm going to take that number times 3. I'm going to show it over here to the side. That number times 3 is, holy cow, it's 26. Just had it, where to go? 26,775. Holy cow, that's the area in feet. All right, so actually what we need to solve now is we need to find the radius. So when it comes to circles, I like to draw this. I like to go R, D, C, A. Once you find the radius, everything kind of just goes downhill. All right, so let's find the radius. That's the only thing we can't find because that's the area. That's how much ground it covers. So the area of 26,775 is going to equal pi times r squared. Now, how do we solve this for r? Easy. Divide both sides by pi. Divide both sides by pi. You could simplify that. I don't like to. I'm just going to go ahead and square root everything. So if you square root all of that noise, now make sure you type in carefully in your calculator. Make sure you have the square root symbol cover the top number and divided by pi. When you do that, the radius is going to be approximately, I'm going to go a couple of decimal places. It's going to be about 92.31. Now I'm going to round it to a 9. Okay, cool. So if our radius is 92.319, we double that to get our diameter. Our diameter is going to be 184. Let's see, it says 637. Okay, just about 6.3, so about 6.4. We'd round that to, now what does I want us to round over here? Nearest tenth, 184.6. So the feet across is going to be 184.6 feet across. All right, cool. That's what the diameter is. So again, this is the diameter. We just found it. Radius, you double it to get the diameter. Now, how do you get the circumference? Well, circumference, you just take the diameter times pi, and area, we already have that down over here, so we don't need that. We already have it. Right there, diameter times pi. So basically, you take your feet wide, and you would take that times 3.14 and then round that to the nearest foot. Already have it. If you take the diameter times pi, you get 580.05, so exactly 580 then. So about 580 feet around that crop circle. That's going to be a lot of stepping to get. So there you go. Start with the area formula. Actually, I take it back. Start by taking the square yards times 3 and then set that equal to pi r squared. Remove the pi, square root both sides. So basically you take the area divided by pi and then you square root that. That's going to give you the radius. You double it to get the diameter, and then you take it times pi to get the circumference. So feet wide is the diameter, and then feet around is the circumference. All right, cool. Fun stuff with circles, y'all. That was the Oshee Mauw Tiny Cow.